Hello, my fellow foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making homemade guacamole, and with Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, it's the perfect time to make this super easy recipe. Y'all, you're in for a real treat, so let's get started.
You'll need avocados, an onion, limes, tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapenos.
So of course you have to start off with your avocados, and you may be wondering, how do you know what avocados to get? Well, there are different ways that you can figure out which one's the best one for you. If it's too green, that means unripe. If it's too brown, it's overripe. And if it's like that nice in-between, it's ripe and ready to use. You can also check the stems by pulling back the stems. If it's that nice yellowish green, that means it's ready to use.
Start off by cutting the avocado, scooping out all the goodness, and putting it into a bowl. In a separate bowl, add onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, and of course, cilantro. It's best to build to your desired flavor. So I'm starting off with juice from half a lime and a few pinches of salt. Mix the ingredients together. I like my guacamole to be chunky, so I'm gonna lightly mash the avocados. Combine all the ingredients into one bowl. Add a little more lime juice and salt. Lightly mix the ingredients together.
And y'all, this is how you make easy peasy, chunky, and tasty guacamole. Y'all, I'm not even gonna bother to plate this because I'm hungry. Y'all, let me tell you something. The jalapenos are kicking. The lime juice is liming. I love acidity in my food. There's so much flavor because we had a ripe avocado. This is gonna be a fan favorite at your house. And I made homemade tortilla chips. I'll drop the link down below so you can watch that video. OMG, look at this. It's strong enough to hold my guac. You hear the crunch? Y'all, you're ready for Cinco de Mayo because of this recipe. This needs to be on your plate. With summer right around the corner, this is about to be your go-to recipe. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a party, it's sure to be a fan favorite. If you like this video, found any value in it, do me a solid by liking and sharing this content. If you want more recipes like this, drop a comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, join the fam by clicking that subscribe button. And as always, savoringwithsaba.com has exclusive content and more recipes like these. Y'all, happy savoring.